In the rehearsal room for Back to the Garden's Sounds of Laurel Canyon, we caught up with guest artist Danielle Tucker.
My favorite Laurel Canyon song that I'm singing, at least in the show, is You're No Good by Linda Ronstadt. It's actually one of my favorite songs to sing of all time. I love Linda Ronstadt. I love her voice, the power in the song. It's just one that I really enjoy. And of course, I love hearing the band play it.
Sounds of Laurel Canyon, a Back to the Garden story concert streaming live from the Belly Up, Friday, November 27th at 7 p.m. Pacific. Tickets $12. Use the link to get yours now.